I'm Eva and I'm a designer based in North London, and I launched my business Evka Home a year ago now. A lot of the brand copy and concept and play comes from my Polish and Danish heritage and my parents and their love for craft. I wanted to translate my graphic design to homeware. Initially, I did the first 20 ideas by hand and then eventually sketched them out on Illustrator to scale, and then ordered those pieces to get laser cut. And then I would use the form box to make a vacuum form mold of each master template. With the multiplier, I can now move on to larger items like mirrors, larger trays, bookends, for example, items that also have a larger profile, more depth. You need quite a lot of silicone to make a small mold, so then if you want to expand and make bigger items, you need quite a lot of silicone. So a small mold would probably be about £80 worth of silicone. So you can imagine how much even a 40 by 40 centimetre mirror would cost. And then if you want to tweak something, you have to do that again. And that's just the material itself. If someone was then paying for the labor, or then also using their time to learn how to use silicone, which is its own thing, that's kind of a craft in itself. With the new flexi sheets, you can kind of peel off the mold like you would with a silicone mold, and it's not going to affect the detail or the crisp corners. I can also inexpensively develop products and experiment with different details and shapes without spending loads and loads of money on silicone. And kind of get all the benefits of silicone without the price tag. If your business is already established and you know that there is a market for it and a demand for your stuff, then I think the price of the machine is kind of invaluable in terms of product development and being able to control that yourself without relying on third parties. I'm not kind of stopping myself I can't do a bookend because it will cost too much to develop it. I can actually be okay, I can do this now. How do I want to do it? With the multiplier, I know that in the future I can develop all my products myself to as much detail as I wish to and with as much control as I can.